What's up? It's your girl Tiny, and welcome back to Tiny Glams, where I create beautiful makeup looks for all you lovely people. So today your girl is going to be doing, let me show y'all. So I'm going to be doing this brown soft glam with pinkish kind of peach blush and then bedazzles on top. I have my bedazzles right here that I got from Joann's, and then we're just gonna do the brown eyeshadow and go from there. Like I said previously, your girl is gonna be launching some products in the future because I'm obsessed with makeup and I'm a business major, so I really just want to get into that space. So this is the Soft Petals palette, and as you can see, super pretty. I wanted to give like a soft glam effect. And then as y'all can see, there's some shimmers right here, and then we have some brown, some like pinkish purple colors, just to add like a pop for a soft glam. And then I have transition shades right here and right here. So today we're going to be using this shade right here, which is kind of like a reddish brown. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So just make sure you're blending it all out. And usually I will go in with a transition shade, but since this is just a one color look with bedazzles on top, we're not gonna do that. So take a big fluffy brush like this and put it all over. And make sure you blend out the edges. So yeah, that brown all over that lid. Okay, babe, so your girl got her little jewels, and then I got some Miss A lash glue. And what we're gonna do is cut out little bitty jewels, and I'm gonna show y'all how I apply my glue. So I cut it out like one piece right here, and then we're gonna slice it into small pieces. I have a gem in my hand right here, and we're just gonna place it on my lid. So yeah, place it right there, and then we're gonna fill some more in. Getting some more of that glue. We're gonna put some right there. Alright, so y'all, as y'all can see, I have some jewels right here on my eyes. And now we're gonna do the next eye. I'm gonna show y'all one more, and then after that, I'm gonna do it off camera. So we're gonna put it like closer, put the glue right here. Picking up the gems with my finger, like this. I'm gonna try to do my best to edit this. And then we're gonna take it, we're just gonna sit it on our eyelid. You can move it around and stuff. So yeah, we have that one right there. And then let's do one more. And then I'm gonna show y'all the final look of all the gems. Okay, y'all, so that took a long time, but after that I'm going to add some lashes and I'll be back. So I have my lashes on, and now we're gonna go in with our NK concealer, the same $3 concealer, and we're going to carve out our under eyes. So I'm gonna be using this bedazzle mirror. And I'm going to place this concealer right under my eyes. So if you would like to use like full coverage foundation, then I would definitely recommend that you do this before this step. We're going to spot conceal, so we're not going to use a full coverage foundation today. And I'll show y'all what I mean by spot conceal. So yeah, add that concealer all under my eyes. And then bring it inwards, like towards your nose area. And bring it a little bit down. Downwards. And then we're gonna add a little bit on the nose. A little bit down the nose, just to give that sharp look. Bring it all the way down. Upper lip. And now we're gonna take our fluffy brush just to blend it all out. So this is just gonna be a quick and easy look. Now we're blending out the concealer on our nose. Kind of just bringing everything in. So now I'm going to spot conceal with my Hourglass concealer in the color Teak, and I'll show y'all. We're just gonna place it on my dark marks, and this is like a very good tip for people who don't want to do full coverage foundation. After we blend our concealer in, we're gonna go in with this Kosas powder, and we're going to set our face. So make sure you set your under eyes, and then down your nose, forehead. So after we set it, we're just gonna go in with our powder and our blush. Now I'm adding my Juvia's Place bronzer. Y'all, I'm moving so fast because my camera is about to die, but I really want to get this look done. So we're adding some bronzer all over the face. Bronze it up, and then we're gonna go in with this little brush right here, and then bronze down the nose. Kind of bring it up, and then we're gonna add blush. So I decided to go in with a little bit of my Benefit Fan Fest mascara on the bottom of my lashes. And now we're gonna go in with my business's Dear Diary blush palette, which is inspired by mental health and writing in your diary. All right, so these are the shades. And we're gonna go in with a super pretty pink right here. And I'm just going to pat that on my cheeks. Yeah, pat that color on your cheeks. A little bit on the nose. And then next we're gonna go in with lips. Now we're going in with my NYX lip liner. And we're just gonna quickly line my lips. We're going in with our Ambivert lip gloss, and we're just gonna place it on our lips and just pat it in. As you can see, it's definitely giving gemmed and Barbie. I'm going in with the ambivert highlighter. And we're just gonna take some of that and just put it on our nose, down our nose, and a little bit on the cheeks. And then I'm gonna take that same blush brush and kind of pat it in. Yes. All right, babe, so that is the final look. I had to speed through everything. Like I said, my camera's about to die, but as y'all can see, your girl is serving. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button.